beautifully remodeled colonial-style, open-concept home sits on a generous acre lot at the end of a peaceful cul-de-sac. The moment you arrive, the custom paver driveway and entry path guide you from the front door all the way to the massive, fully enclosed backyard retreat, spacious enough for a full-size pool and a large covered patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. 1. Premium single-story living, 0 stairs, 0 hassle. Everything you need is on one level, making life effortless. Wide hallways, open layout, easy navigation, perfect for comfortable living today and aging gracefully tomorrow. 2. Located in a quiet, private cul-de-sac. Henderson Ranch House is serene, exclusive, and tucked away. The kind of street where neighbors know each other, every home is cared for, and evening walks feel safe and peaceful. 3. Sun-filled, spacious, open floor plan. The interior feels bright, airy, and uplifting all day long. Large windows bring in natural light, and the flowing layout makes it ideal for relaxing or hosting friends and family visiting from California.